The MM4000 Endodontic Motor allows you to use the electronic apex locator independently, just like a standalone apex locator. Turn on the motor by pressing the power button. Connect the white cable to the back of the handpiece. Then, connect the lip hook to the white socket and the file clip to the black socket, as shown in the diagram. Refer to the diagram on page 11 of the user manual. Place your manual file into the file clip by pressing the button located at its end. The lip hook should be placed on the patient's lip, on the opposite side of the tooth being treated. Next, set the motor to mode M0 by pressing the plus and arrows on the motor. Press P, then select the EL mode by using the plus and arrows on your motor. EAL indicates that the motor is now functioning solely as an electronic apex locator. You can now view the canal length indicator bar. Place the handpiece on the charging base to get a better viewing angle. You can now insert the manual file into the canal and observe its progression on the handpiece screen. As you approach the apex, the screen will provide more precise guidance, and a continuous beep will signal that the apex has been reached. For more technical information on using the electronic apex locator, refer to your user manual.